President His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan today attended the Dubai Airshow 2023, where he toured the exhibition spaces of the various local and international companies participating in this year's event. His Highness was briefed on the latest advances in the aviation sector, including the use of innovative technologies and developments in the use of sustainable aviation fuel. The President noted that the 18th edition of the Dubai Airshow and the event's continued success since its inception reflect the UAE's significant role as a key partner in the global aviation industry. His Highness was accompanied by His Highness Sheikh Mansour bin Zayed Al Nahyan, Vice President, Deputy Prime Minister and Chairman of the Presidential Court, and other sheikhs and senior officials.